Hey twin, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you guys are blessed. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Nadula. And if you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below, as well as a few discount codes. So if you guys are interested in saving some cash, be sure to check the description box below. But you guys just saw everything that I received with my wig. And yes, I got a beautiful gold necklace. I adore it so much. However, this is the wig that I picked up this time. This is Nadula's new 5x5 thin high definition BlendAway Glueless lace wig. Once again, it has the 5x5 high definition lace, bleached knots, the pre-plucked hairline, the C-shaped ear design for a comfortable fit. It has the removable adjustable elastic band. This is pretty much pre-everything. So everything is ready to go. The pre-cut lace. If you're a beginner, this is definitely the unit for you. However, if you guys are intermediate like myself, this is definitely a break because I know how much effort and work we have to put into these wigs, but everything is pretty much ready to go. However, I do like to put my wig on a canvas block and prep it to be worn, and I typically like to do this in advance. So I went ahead and I just used my hot comb. I went through it to smooth everything out. I am applying a little bit of gel and just brushing back the perimeter of the hairline just to get that nice and slick. Y'all gonna see me place my edge band just to kind of get that to lay down flat. And now I'm gonna go ahead and work on this hair. Now this unit is 24 inches long, 180% density. However, I do believe that this wig is very lightweight. I would say it kind of feels more so like a 150, so you don't have to worry about the unit being too heavy. Now I'm just using my flat iron and I'm going through the hair to get a nice silk pressed look. And y'all, look at this hair, look at the texture, just look at the sheen. This hair looks super healthy and I am just 100% here for it.
Yeah, all my niggas be rolling a blunt, but I told them it ain't what I want.
So my hairline is fully dry. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the edge bands, and you guys can see that the lace is pre-cut. However, it's a little too light for my skin tone, so I'm just going in using my Ebin tinted lace spray, and I'm going to spray that all over this beautiful high definition lace just to where we can get a nice meltable color. And now I'm going to go ahead and get this wig installed and see what we're working with. So this unit is 100% glueless. However, you can adhere your unit down if you choose to. I am just going in and cutting out a little bit of baby hair. It's going to tweeze that to make it look a little more natural. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of gel just to smooth everything down. I like to kind of do this method because it does take away some of the overall size of my forehead. I know I need to embrace it more, but y'all. So now I'm going in using a little bit of powder to make that parting space pop. I sprayed a little bit of that tinted lace spray on my brush and I just applied that just along the lace to kind of tone that color down. And yeah, this is pretty much what this unit is giving. And I love the texture. It reminds me of my natural hair. When I do get a silk press, I love the feeling in my hand. It just feels so natural. Not too much texture, but then again, it's not too silky at all. It has a lot of movement. I was raking my fingers through it. I wasn't getting barely any shedding, just a couple of strands here and there. However, nothing to complain about whatsoever. Just the movement, the body, the sheen. It has a very low luster to it, making it look very healthy and natural. This unit is really giving. And I love like how the hairline looks super natural. You can definitely get away with wearing this unit without any baby hairs. They give you quite a bit of parting space. Yeah, this is a 5x5, but you definitely have a lot of parting space to work with. And this is a glueless lace wig, so you don't have to worry about using any additional tape or adhesives, this is definitely a beginner friendly unit. This is what the texture looks like up close. Y'all can't tell me this doesn't look like actual relaxed or silk pressed natural hair. Now this unit does hit at my waist and it is 24 inches long, but this unit looks way shorter than 24 inches. Like I would say maybe 20 inches. I'm not too sure, but definitely not a 24 inch for a bone straight unit. I will correct myself if I'm wrong though in the description box below. So I did want to give you guys a little styling option. I did want to re-part this unit and make a side part just to really see exactly how much good parting that you get. So I decided to put this in a curved part, and yeah, this is definitely my thing. Okay, now I'm a middle part girly, but this side part is just doing something to me. But yeah, you guys, look at how healthy this hair looks. Like it literally looks like a healthy head of natural silk pressed hair. And y'all, I just cannot keep my hands out of it. This is what the hairline looks. Once again, I do have my baby hairs out. It is not glued down. I'm going to show you guys. I didn't use any adhesives or anything like that. And just look at how it's melting into the skin. But once again, you guys do check out Nadula. You can pick up this unit. I'll have all the details and information located in the info section below, as well as a few discount codes. So in case you guys are interested, be sure to check them out. I love the way this unit looks like when it's tucked behind my ear. It's super comfortable. It does have the C-shaped ear design, making this unit comfortable, especially if you wear glasses, because I'm a glasses girly. And yeah, this unit is definitely comfortable around my ear area. But of course, I wouldn't be me if I didn't pin up this hair to give you guys just a quick little running errands, going to church, going to the gym type of style. And this is definitely good for those of you guys who sweat along your neck and you kind of don't want it to be all up in your hair. But once again, you guys do check out Nadula. All of the details will be listed down below. You guys definitely let me know what you guys think about this unit right here. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Have a blessed one. Bye.